รีบสู้บองโอนสำหรับไทยนี้เข้มลงเพื่อบางหางจุ้นปีระเบียบสำรอมาจูปลายเลียนี่ตามกับปิดนั่นคือชั่วสลอมจูยุนยึงจอมปลาเปียกนั่นเลยนะให้จอมเต้สลับสลอมจูนั่นคือมีนไตรขัดฟีนั่นให้หนึ่งสริมไหนใส่ให้นี่จิกลืมซ้อมปลายมีนสัตให้ตลาดมันนัว Hello everyone. For today, I'm going to make sweet and sour soup. For meat, I have catfish and shrimp. For vegetable, I have pink mushroom, pineapple. Mình nói hay đừng sạch cái hào sạch sạch nó nướng pink mushroom and tomato. Bình bọt á, that's what we call winter melon, tạt lá chứ, hai nâng this mà ôm, rice paddy herb, and some long mint they make with the rice paddy herb. Some cilantro, green onion, chi bánh xôi nâng sạc tấm, and then for cream nâng cứ 3 cloves garlic for soup, and lemongrass, scree mà cua lỡ, 2 Galanga mà đến, and other ingredient for that soup I have fish sauce, Tamarind soup powder. Tamarind soup mix thì mà xào bẩn á bong ôn xào bẩn nhưng pra mạ nó ngắn slot bẩn sò hay nâng mà xào soup món chicken soup powder here the brand that I use it nhưng pra mà xào soup món nâng á score sugar price garlic tôm sòm bầu sầm đạp tiền hay for pineapple I use the one in can here bong ôn trong đã srock các bạn đây mà nói ha phần anh em trong bên nơi những có prao những các bạn srock các bạn and now let's start to do it first I like to cilantro, smart garlic. This Galanga is a frozen one. pink mushroom. After peel of the skin, need to wash it again. Chặt bỏ rồi hết rồi. Try all the water that I want. Some oil. Rồi cả preen chiên tray khác. Not fry until it cook all the way, so about 30% cook. Mình chiên này sẽ ấn là bông bông con này chiên ở được lần muối hay thì làm cho phần là mình chiên ấn. The water is boiling now in this garlic, plain, lemongrass, kaya, tinh xào. And fish sauce, I use different and forgot to mention. សម្រាប់ទឹកត្រីបងប្អូនចង់ប្រើម៉ាក់អីក៏បានក្តាម3ក៏បានឬក៏ឆ្ងាញ់ក្តាម3ប៉ុន្តែខ្ញុំប្រើម៉ាក់នេះវានៅ fish sauce អំបិលសម្សៅស៊ុបមាន់ chicken soup powder Tamarind soup mix ម្សៅអំបិល sugar and also fish is I'm gonna add it now. 5 minutes, remove the fish. Tray đã khúc pram nó ta bong bong mọi việc ăn pê nhé, over khúc pê. Tray srong với chanh sần. Mình đặt lại á, bây giờ đặt lại tới việc bài tray. Time to add vegetable. First one is in turmeric. Đặt lại. Okay for mushroom at the same time. Until the vegetable is tender, and then add the shrimp. Oh, pineapple. Good. No. Time to add shrimp for 2 minutes. Minutes. Just after 2 minutes. Now put on the fish back. Đặt tray trôi với nhé. Careful. I don't want to break. And all the fresh turn off the heat. Garlic, fried garlic. Excellent. Now it is ready to go. Taste it. Ngon. Chua ám, prải, mồm. Now finish. Some garlic, fried garlic. Now it's finished, ready to serve for sweet and sour soup. I hope you will like this recipe and enjoy the video. And happy holiday, Merry Christmas to everyone. Bye bye. សម្រាប់សាឡមជូរយួននេះគឺរួចសពគ្រប់ហើយបងប្អូនឆ្ងាញ់ណាស់បងប្អូនសាកធ្វើទទួលទានតាម recipe នេះចុះមិនខុសកំណងទេហើយក៏សូមអរគុណដល់បងប្អូនដែលតាមមើលវីដេអូនេះ ហើយសូមជូនពរក្នុងឱកាសចូលឆ្នាំសកលនេះសូមឲ្យបងប្អូនប្រកបតែនឹងសេចក្តីសុខសេចក្តីចម្រើនគ្រប់គ្នា Happy holiday, Merry Christmas ជម្រាបលា So ultimately people fucking